Hello, guys. Welcome to this training where I'll be guiding you on how to grow your followers from 0 to 5,000. Yeah, this is actually a challenge. Yeah, it's a 7 days challenge that we want to get as many as possible to benefit from it. And our goal is to get to not less than 1,000 persons before the year runs out. And how do we intend achieving this? Now, you need to understand that there are two ways to actually grow your business or your audience online. Goal number one is to make use of organic means or you make use of paid means. In terms of organic way of growing your business is just like you are growing your business and you are not spending any money. For instance, you want 100 subscribers to your channel, you are not paying money for it. You want 1,000 people to subscribe to your Facebook page or to follow you on Instagram or Facebook without you paying. That's what organic advertising means. But when we talk about paid means, it means you are paying to get access to this. Now you need to understand that whatever you are paying for is definitely going to be easier than what you're not paying for. Whatever that is free is not very authentic. But in this training, we are going to guide you on how you can get your followers organically and also through paid means. In terms of organic followers or organic means of advertising, we are going to teach you how you can put up some strategies that we have in place that will be teaching you so that you can get as much leads as possible without you spending a dime. Yes, I'm assuring you of that, and you are definitely going to testify at the end of the training. This is not a hype or this is not a first or whatever. This has been tested and proven, and we are giving you assurance to that. And also, to add to that, we are setting up a way that we can give you access to not less than 1,000 WhatsApp leads before the year runs out. We are taking everything, like we are generating everything for you. You are not paying a dime, you are getting access to it. Yes, all you need to do is just to listen to instructions and pay attention and do whatever it is that you are needed to do at the course of the training. Yes, so now aside that, we are going to be teaching you some other tactics, other strategies that we're testing and proving that works very well in terms of organic lead generation. When we talk about generating leads, there is no way you can go out of this. If you are doing a business or you have intention of doing a business or you have someone around you that does a business or you have plans of working for people or you have plans of managing people's business, you should pay attention to this. No business can strive without leads. You need leads to go far. You need people to promote your content to. You need people to patronize you. You need people to like your post. You need people to react to your post. You need people to view your content. You need people to view your WhatsApp status. And you might have encountered a situation whereby people teach you how to, or they tell you advertise your product on my status. I have so number of WhatsApp status views. Now this is as a result of the high number of leads they have. So having a high number of status guarantee you access to a large number of audience. Now you need to understand that any audience you are leveraging on currently is not your own. Whatever platform you are maximizing currently is not your own. If you could recall, there was a time Facebook, WhatsApp shut down. During that period, a lot of persons had issues with growing or going with their daily activities that has to do with their business. They had issue with this because there's so much they were so much into Facebook or into Meta platform as a whole that they don't have any other means to get access to their audience, which is not very right. It is good that you have your audience, you can get access to them, and that's what the essence of lead generation comes to play. So you need to learn how to generate leads. You need to learn how to keep them to yourself so that you can maximize them. You may not want to sell to them, other people may want to sell to them. If you are not selling, if you don't have any product to sell, you can build a list and sell the list to people. How are you going to sell the list? People can advertise on your status and you pay them. How about this influential strategy where you see people, you have to pay them and they advertise on their platform. You see some pages telling you to pay them to advertise on their page. You see some people telling you to pay them so that you can advertise on their word. That's because they have large number of audience. So if you must survive on this space, you need large number of audience that you are influencing upon. You need large number of people that you are influencing upon. If you have 1,000 WhatsApp status view, you can monetize it if you want. People can pay you 500, 1K, 2K, 3K, depending on how you want to go with it, for 24 hours to advertise, and you are just creating a source of income for yourself. This is for people that may not have a product to advertise. You may not have a product to advertise, but you can sell your platform, you can sell your status, and people advertise on your status and they get to pay you. That's a strategy too. So you need leads, you need WhatsApp leads if you want to go for WhatsApp status. If it is Instagram, you need followers on your Instagram. If it is Facebook page, you need Facebook followers on your page. So in all of this, it is not very easy. Sincerely speaking, growing from 0 to 5,000 is not an easy task, but we have decided to come up with a strategy that you can get it done within an interval of 7 days. This I promise you. I am not hyping. Interval of 7 days, you are getting into that 5,000 followers. But then you need to pay attention to instructions. Yes. Now, that is the organic way of it. In terms of the paid means, it has to do with you paying and getting access to this. We are going to show you how you can use Tendra Boost to achieve that. We are going to show you how you can use Facebook ads to do that, how you can use Instagram ads to do that. So in this training, you are going to learn both organic way of generating leads and paid ways of generating leads. So I am going to show you, teach you everything about advertising on Facebook, advertising on Instagram, advertising on Tendra Boost. And also we are going to give you access to 1,000 WhatsApp leads. At the end of this training, you are getting access to not less than 1,000 WhatsApp leads to increase your status, your audience that you can advertise to. Yes, I think I deserve a clap for that. Yes. So before I forget, if this is your first time to this channel, just ensure you just hit the subscribe button if you find value. And if you are from the training, one of the first criteria to actually get done with the training where is to hit the subscribe button. So hit it and drop a comment, and don't forget to join the group so that we carry you along. That's the number one necessity to maximizing this. So hit the subscribe button, hit the thumb bell icon, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can find it easy to get access to other video content that will be coming on board. So that's back to the training. We are starting the training right away. If you are already on the group, get set. And if you are not in the group, just drop a comment. I will give you access to the group and you join the training. You maximize a whole lot about this training. The goal is to grow your audience from 0 to 5,000 if you're just starting out. You can decide to do this for personal use, or you can decide to do this for people and earn from it. So this training is to help those who don't have anything doing, who are trusting God to get something done, and also to help people who have something doing but they want to push it to another level. They want to take it to another level. So I'm assuring you that at the end of this video, at the end of this training, you are going to benefiting no matter what you are doing currently. If you are employed, you are going to benefit more. If you are not employed, you are going to benefit more. If you are yet to decide on what to do, you are going to benefit as well. So all you need to do is just to key into the instruction provided so that you can leverage so much from this training.